Hey everybody, my name is Karina. Welcome back. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious creamy jello, gelatina navideña. This is such a creamy and delicious dessert. It's perfect for the holidays. If you want to see how I make it, keep watching. For this recipe, we're going to start off by preparing the jello. I'm going to be using a strawberry and a lime jello. First, we're going to add 4 cups of boiling water. Next, I'm going to add the lime jello and mix it until completely dissolved. Once it's fully dissolved, I'm going to transfer it into a baking dish. Now we set it to the side and let it cool off. We do the same for the red jello. Mix it into 4 cups of boiling water, dissolve, and transfer it into the baking dish. We let it cool off before putting it in the fridge. We're going to leave them in there for at least 2 hours, or you can leave them overnight if you'd like. Now we're going to prepare the creamy jello. To a mixing bowl, we're going to add 2 cans of evaporated milk and 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. Now we mix until the 2 milks are well combined. This is the unflavored jello that I'm going to be using for the milk mixture. It has 4 packets in here, and I'm going to be dissolving each one into 1 cup of water. We're going to add one by one. You add 1, give it a mix, and so on. Once all the 4 packets are mixed in, we put it in the microwave for 15 seconds so it can dissolve completely. And this is how it should look. Now we add it to the milk mixture and give it a mix. It's been 2 hours. Our jello is now firm, and I'm gonna cut it into squares. And I'm just gonna transfer it into a bowl. And I'll do the same for the red jello. And I like using the colors red and green because these are the Christmas colors, but you're welcome to use any color or flavor you'd like. Transfer it into the bowl. Now it's time to grease our Bundt mold. Make sure you grease it well. This is so that the jello doesn't stick at the time of flipping. I'm gonna start adding in the jello. Now we're just gonna mix the red and the green jello. Okay, I think that should be good enough. Now we start adding the cream. Make sure to push in your jello so it's well covered. And once it's ready, we can put it in the fridge for at least 2 hours or overnight if you'd like. The longer you leave it, the better the results. It's been about 5 hours in the fridge. Our jello is now ready. Before flipping it, I'm gonna gently remove it from the edges. Just like this. It'll make it easier to flip. And also from the middle. And now we flip it. Look at how pretty and delicious it looks. And there you have it, delicious Christmas jello. I'm gonna cut myself a piece. Okay guys, moment of truth. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I'm not a fan of jello. I'm not like jello, but my family does. And if you guys have never made it, you should definitely try it. Cheers. It's really, really good. It's very creamy. It's really flavorful. Try it. All right, guys, that's it for this one. If you've made it this far and you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications so you won't miss any of our new videos. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.